How are you?
I'm fine.
Any question of the day? Oh yeah, hit me.
But actually,
Yeah.
if you're given the opportunity to become one of Marvel's superheroes, which one would you be?
Mafia Abi.
Yes.
If I say I don't hear that area before, that's a Mafia street. Where they put metal.
Ah, Brother Shaggy, Marvel is not an area, it's a company.
Okay. Yes, I know it. I know. I don't hear that Mafia Hoy. They have a oil company. Abi that they sell kerosene and petrol.
Brother Shaggy, it's an American company.
Okay, like if they have another company in America. They got another branch in America where they sell this one, and they import this to Nigeria. Shebi is now on Mafia Hoy.
Brother Shaggy, can you please calm down and listen to my question so you can be able to explain?
I mean, they tell me I calm down. So this is why they explain. You know, make sense for your ear. Now they tell me so. I mean, what do you now met now? See, make I tell you, I go school. You understand? But I don't like to show myself. Oh yeah, but I will just give you some example. You know, say, oh no, okay, sorry. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 10, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 6, 12. Oh no, I don't want the enter too much. Make I tell you, as I did like this, I go secondary school, I go university. Oh yeah, what is a government? A government is a name of the people, a animal of the people, place or thing. I want that.
Okay, sorry about that, sir.
Good up,
Or let me rephrase my question. So, between Batman, Superman, and Iron Man, if you were asked to become one, which one would you become?
For Iron Man and Batman, waiting do Avenger. Wait, you never see this one. Waiting do Avenger. I never see where Avenger they fight. Avenger, I'm Musi Avenger. That boy, he bad, he gone. You don't see how they fight. Avenger, he bad, he gone. He dey beat Jackie Chan. You never watch the new Avenger film. He beat Jackie Chan blue black. Oh no, Jackie Chan he dey cry like this like a small pikin on the floor. Avenger. Oh my whole body gone. I will pick Avenger.
Okay, so Brother Shaggy, you have seen Avengers.
I don't see him.
Okay, so who do you think designs the Avengers costume?
Okay, please somebody that designed the costume.
Yes.
That's Avenger clothes that he wear.
Yes.
Inside the movie.
Yeah.
The person that saw it.
Yes.
That's what's the kilo boy? What's his name? Yami Kasha.